is Red Dagger.
Where is the way to go first person?
What's up, guys? This is Red Dagger back here with another Minecraft. With the first Bed Wars video. And today I'm gonna be playing with my friend. And there is one person who we don't know. He's already speed bridged over there. And actually, I don't want to run after him. First, I want to get some. Why?
Guys, you have such bots. You?
We can do this, guys. I got an iron sword. I got an iron armor.
She went home to something, she said.
I'm gonna get some blocks.
I don't know.
Okay, guys. Now we are up for this. Now we are ready for this. Awesome. Come back here and buy a potion of invisibility and go and sabotage beds. That's all I can tell you. Okay. I'm gonna go. Hey there. Okay. Hey, there's a blue guy there. Why don't I sabotage him? I'm gonna sabotage the blue guy. Oh, guys, this is gonna be fun. Okay, ready?
Building, that's what I'm
Ready?
doing.
Ready? Oh no, I fell off. I did not expect that. Why? Yep, this is my first fall, and there are blue people might try to come here. Ken is doing an awesome job.
I cannot speed bridge.
Buy a potion of invisibility, go to the blue bed, but first get a pickaxe. Don't drink it. Get a pickaxe.
Buy TNT.
You got a pickaxe? In the item shops, props, and straight down. Oh wait, I think I should buy a rescue platform. Yep, I bought. At the bottom, straight at the bottom.
I just fell off the map with so many diamonds.
I couldn't get to play at the middle of the game.
We can do this, guys.
Recording while people are there near us.
I'm gonna do this again. No! Oh yes.
All we need is blocks.
Yep, all I need is blocks right now. Awesome. I'm gonna buy 2 stack block. One. We can do this, people. Inspirational talk. Oh, somebody just fell off.
I just shot him.
What is this? This white thing. I'm gonna go get myself some
I
diamonds.
literally fell through a block.
Ain't that awesome? Oh wait, you fell. Sorry. That is not awesome. That is super duper for awesome. Sorry, this is not a joyous moment, but still. Break a bed. You can do it, Jordan. Yes.
Ooh, nice. Okay, now I have an idea.
Did you take the potion of invisibility like I told you?
I'm so happy there's like no hunger in this game.
Yeah, hunger bars are boring. Oh, there are blue people attacking the red.
Wait, who
I'm
is
just gonna
blue?
go.
Wait a minute.
Jordan, kill that blue kill that blue person and take that. Oh, there's a green guy.
What? My character.
Are we green?
automatically
Oh yeah, we are
freezes.
green. 1 emerald. There must be another emerald one. I died with emeralds on me. Oh,
Guys,
these people also
anybody has
died.
blocks so I can bridge there.
I died. I don't have
Jordan,
anything.
behind you.
Ooh. Voila. I got so many things. What? Oh, I thought our bed went.
Jordan, help. Jordan is good. Today I'm playing very noobie, I don't know why.
Oh, that's you, awesome. Oh my, we just got a green pad over here.
Jordan's MVP, I can already tell.
So basically,
No.
armor, sword.
Yes.
I still have iron. What do I do with it? What do I do with it? What do I need another rescue? Hey, wait, I could have used my. No, wait, that was another rescue. Oh, I got an idea. I'll buy a wall and wait for this guy to come here, then I'll flip him off the map. He's gonna take a while coming here. Okay, this guy's coming here. This guy's
What?
coming here.
This guy is hacking. No, I didn't. I won't tell you I died. I didn't have armor.
Yes, I suffocated this guy. I suffocated him.
You're being a meme.
Look at this.
You're behaving like.
I got this guy stuck. I got this guy stuck. I'm so glad. Oh, he can still damage me. No!
He died.
All that loot.
He died. Come back.
What? I cannot collect that. I cannot collect that. I want that.
I'm getting a sharp one.
You just collected that. I was about to collect that.
Wait, what?
What?
I just picked up random stuff.
That is mine. I killed that guy. Suffocated him. I was literally waiting for him to come there.
Red. Green. No, we actually died on this yellow.
Yeah, yellow killed me too.
I have a fireball. Guys, get ready for sharpness 1.
Even I want some time. Is the red bed gone? Yes, the red bed is gone and wiped out. And there's a yellow guy there. Guys, listen, the yellows are busy. Guys, the yellows are busy. Take them out.
I'm getting a heal pool.
Heal pool? We already got a heal pool.
Heal pool level 2.
Yes!
What is Jordan?
Jordan, you are the best. On the first day also, he literally out something me. He out MVP'd me.
What? This guy is not taking any knockback. He's just standing there and taking all my hits, not taking knockback.
Oh, there's another emerald. 3 emeralds. I'm gonna take a potion of something. What is this? Oh.
I don't think so.
Guys,
No, you broke every single bed.
why don't we let them destroy the bed?
No. Yeah, Aaron don't.
We won. Guys,
Jordan became the
this is
MVP.
awesome. We won.
We're doing another match.
Jordan's MVP. I am last.
We're doing it again now. We're doing another one.
Are we doing another one?
Go to back to lobby. Click on back to lobby.
Okay, guys, just give us a minute till we get into another match. Guys, so sorry, but I don't think. Oh, we are gonna be starting another match. Are we?
Yeah,
Are
we're
we?
to make this video 10 minutes long. to get
Okay,
the
guys. I think I could switch off the. Nothing, guys. Let's just play like awesome people. Oh, I got a potion of leaping.
Even I got a potion of leaping.
This is lucky luck.
No,
Right
that was
now
a
it is
super
raining
power punch
outside.
one
That's why
go.
there's so much of volume going on, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. And if while I'm editing, if my voice is not coming, then I will write that down somewhere. You know.
I fell off the map.
You fell off the map. I like this. I can just break the glass. Whoa! I made the glass glitch out. Okay, I don't think I made the glass glitch out like glitch out. Oh, I got glitched out of the glass. Whoa! Missed to fall off the map. Green dagger, where are you? Not the why can't it ever be red?
In your other videos.
Yeah, my other videos have been in red.
I don't think they uploaded yet.
What?
The red video.
Yeah, actually I've not made a red video because I've never been in the red team. It's only been once.
Try to record before.
Yeah, I tried to record but went unsuccessful. Look at me, I'm jumping to get more. Hey, green people are only 2. I think we should sabotage them first. Sabotage the green. How do we do that? Grab resources. Hold on, we can win. That was a stupid comment to say first. Enemy attack, need. Oh, I'm not doing that, that's all crap. Oh, I've got all I needed. I literally got all I needed. This is so awesome. Guys, I'm just gonna actually I don't know. No, I'm not gonna pause it, I'm just gonna keep playing. Yeah. I guess I'm too cool for the game, they hate me. I bought another why? Candy want an iron sword?
No thanks.
I bought an extra, please take it. Oh. Where did the guy go? Where does the guy go?
Wait, you got an extra iron, so I could take that. Keep it in the chest.
Oh man, this guy just suddenly got sabotaged by me and he just started climbing. Where the hell is he going? Oh. Ready to kill you, boy. That guy got scared and ran. That guy seriously got scared and guys, there's somebody up here. I forgot to buy blocks, so I'll use these blocks. Oh, so I collected his yellow blocks. Oh, I don't want to go attack there.
What? Aaron, what are you standing there for? You're just standing there.
Don't blame me.
I told you to come. You're standing.
I'm trying to kill this blue guy and trying to
Look at
collect
this
diamonds.
noob.
This idiot is...
Look at this noob.
I'm not going there. Nope. We got blues connected to our island. That's how that guy came to us so fast. I'ma go collect some emeralds. One emerald. Which other emerald this is there? Oh, I get scared of this island. I can fall anytime. Okay. I get scared of that island. I mean, there's such a big possibility of falling. And he's dead. This guy's just standing trying to kill my people. He's dead. Where is he? I got his diamond. Yeah, I got his diamond. Oh yeah, I'm about to wait a minute. That guy's building like hell. Can you hear me? If I just had a fireball, I would have knocked him off. Okay, I'm just gonna run back to my base.
Why? This guy is just taking every bit of iron and not doing anything. He's just standing there.
I think he's waiting to collect gold to make gold armor. Yeah, I'm gonna go, Mr.
Noob. Can't do anything. Standing there like a loser.
I get so scared at these tensing moments. I'm not moving here. Once I get to the home island, I'm staying here. I'm literally gonna be there. I'm not gonna get off. I'm getting scared right now.
He still wants the iron. What a greedy pig.
Yeah, we can do this. We can. What the hell are you doing? Wow.
I'm trying to get this.
All of y'all are crap. You're not doing
I'm trying
anything.
to get some. Just to get enough for armor and tools.
I don't
Now
like.
I really want to end this guy's life. What enchant? Efficiency? Dude, why didn't you get sharpness?
Sharpness costs 5. I have 5 emeralds. Oh, there's a
Noob.
guy there.
Noob
There's a
number
guy
one,
there.
I'm
There's a
telling
guy
you.
there. Noob. I killed him.
And give me my loot back. He took all my loot.
What?
This
The
guy's just standing in the iron generator. He's like,
now he's out of the iron
come
generator.
break my bed.
Who said come break my bed?
This guy is just standing in the iron generator.
Nah, I gotta get some iron for blocks. I literally need blocks, and I'm gonna buy a potion
hope
of
I don't
invisibility. Potion
Our
of
bed is
invisibility.
destroyed and I'm literally being so careful. Then you am happy.
I'm doing this, people. We are not doing well, but as far as I'm concerned, we are doing something. Okay, so right now I want chest plate. Oh man. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You literally helped us. Now we have sharpness and we're gonna end their life.
Who got shot? Oh, there's a blue guy there. There's a blue. Oh, he's fireballing. Does he know our bed is destroyed? He's crap. He doesn't even know. He's firing away, or he doesn't know what is happening.
Yeah, he's
You clueless buffoon.
that is
somebody
the-
kill him,
that is the
somebody
way-
kill him.
That's the way to say it.
I'm gonna get a fireball. I'm gonna get a fireball. Guess what? I'm the fireball.
Yes, fire! This guy has a fire sword!
I'm dead. No. So guys, I believe this is the end of my video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Goodbye. Oh yeah, like and subscribe too. See y'all later. Bye.